Hey friends, it's me Stace, and today you're going to see Stace create this really fun teacher card. If you can see that, it says World's Best Teacher. There's the outside, there's the inside. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already inside Cricut Design Space on the welcome screen. We're going to go right below where it says Get Inspired and click on the Back to School category. Then on this page, we're going to scroll down until we see the category of Teachers Gifts, which is right here. I'm going to go to the far right and click on the arrow to scroll over. I'll do that one more time. And the card I want to make is this one right here, the World's Best Teacher card. I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring up a preview window. Now you can see this card is an insert card, more meant for the Cricut Joy, but you can use whatever machine you want to make this card. On the far right hand side, go ahead and click on Customize. Alright, so here's our card front. So when I have this selected and go to my far right toolbar under my Layers tab, we can see there's one object that's going to draw. So if I click on the word draw there, it's going to draw the center. If I click on cut, it's going to cut the outer layers, or the outer, this piece right here on the outside is going to cut those pieces. I want to attach this to something, so I'm going to go to my left hand side toolbar. I'm going to click on Shapes and a Square. I'm going to resize this to be a standard A2 size card for the mat for the front. So I have my square selected, the top toolbar where the size is. I'm going to unlock the lock, and I'll make the width be 4 inches, and I'll make the height be 5.25. And I'm going to change the color of this to be a little bit different of a color. Let's try a brown color. We'll go a little bit lighter. Okay, so there's my card front, or my mat for my card. I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to right click on it and choose Bring to Front, and I'll move this over to here. Now I'm going to just highlight both pieces, go to my top toolbar and choose Align, and choose Align Center. And when I light that, I'm going to highlight both pieces again, right click on that, and then choose Attach. So now this whole piece is attached to that piece there. So it's going to cut out our square, or for our card front, it's going to cut out this little slats here, and it's also going to draw on that piece. I'm going to choose Make It. I'm using my Cricut Venture, but you can use whatever machine you want to use. I'm going to choose Confirm so we can see what it looks like there. So it's going to do the pen first, and then do the basic cut. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do this. We'll go to the table, and we'll put our card together. All right, so we have our card front cut out. And what I did here is I just made a card base, white cardstock. This is 8.5 by 5.5. I scored it in the middle at 4 1/4. Then I have a piece of red, 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside, a piece of white. This is 3 3/4 by 5 for the inside. Then this piece for the front, this measures 3 1/4 by 4 5/8. All right, we're going to first go ahead and put this in the back here. Little slices. Very easy card. All right, so we have the front. I'm going to flip it over and add some foam squares to it. I'm going to do all 4 corners and then one in the middle. Alright, so we have that done. I'm going to give that a squish. While we're here, let's go take this piece and our white piece. Now I'm just using my advanced tape glider. That's going to get layered on that one there. So pull some of that red from the outside of the card to the inside. Alright, flip this over, put adhesive on the back of this one as well. And that's going to go on the inside of our card. Okay. Alright, now we're just going to take the backing off our foam squares, and our card is done. It's a super fast card. Okay. Put that on the front. And I do like layering the white on white with a foam square. It just gives that extra touch. Alright, that's what the card looks like. Okay, so we have that one and that one. Then I do have a card kit for you as well. So you'll have everything to make a card, and I'll also include this card with an envelope. So you have one to mail and one to make. To win the card kit, just go to my website. I'll have a direct link below. Be the first to come, and you'll be the winner of the card kit. All right, my friends, that is it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.